morning, Coral class.
Morning, Mr. Christian.
How's everyone doing today? Good? What did you guys do anything fun yesterday after you left school? Yes, Luca, what'd you do?
Let's go at night. At night, I go to the I get the over here and stamp on over here and here and.
Okay. So you got some stamps on your hands?
It's all the that stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's all crazy.
Was it fun?
No, it was.
It was crazy? So not fun, just crazy? Okay. That sounds good. Luca had a crazy evening. Daniel, what'd you do?
I did nothing.
You did nothing. Okay, that's kind of fun too, sometimes doing nothing. All right, Daniel did nothing. Anyone else? Does anyone else want to share what they did? Sammy.
I did nothing.
Also nothing? Did you do my homework? Daniel, did you do my homework?
Yes.
Oh, so you did something.
Yes.
Did you eat food?
Yes.
Oh, so you did something. You ate some food.
I did nothing.
Oh my gosh.
I just stayed in the bed for 1 day.
One day, stay in the bed. Okay. Okay, so Corals, this morning we have not done theme class in a very long time because we've been catching up with our other books that we've been doing. So Mr. Christian's first class, I think we're going to do theme. So we did a little bit at the beginning. Does anyone remember what we talked about a couple of weeks ago? What is our theme for this month and next month?
Living thing.
Living thing, so it's called ecology and conservation. Can we say that together? Ecology and conservation. Right? So we talked a little bit about it last class, but or not last class, a couple weeks ago, but we didn't do too much with it. So first off, what does the question say up here, Ethan? Yeah, so what is a natural environment? Does anyone remember? We talked, right?
Something we need.
Something we need? There are things we need in a natural environment. Yes, raise your hand. Aaron. There are living things in a natural environment, and a lot of a natural environment is living. That's close. Does anyone have any other guesses?
What do they live?
Ah, okay. So many animals live. Habitats, right? So these are areas where many animals live, right? So wait, is our school, is this a natural environment? No. Is your home a natural environment? Your home natural environment? Yes? No. Is swimming pool, is that a natural environment? No. Those are all environments that were man-made, right? Humans made those environments. Natural environments were already there, not made by us, right? That's why they're called natural. Right? So can we think of some, raise your hand, can we think of some different natural environments? Go ahead, raise your hand if you think you know a natural environment. Aaron. People? Some people live in natural environments, but people are not a natural environment. It's a good guess though. Can anyone else guess what is a natural environment? We've talked about these in some of our other classes before. Aaron, you want to try again? Or so not animals, these are not animals, these are places. What places are natural environments? Places. Sammy, do you have any guesses? Daniel? Do you have any guesses? Ethan? Okay, factory. That is man-made environment. Okay, I'm going to give you one. Okay, Aaron, one more time. There we go. So Aaron got one, right? What is a natural environment? One is a forest. Can someone give me another natural environment? Ryan? A garden is a natural environment, yes. It's a small natural environment, but it is DJ, okay, yes, DJ, desert. Okay, go ahead, just say out some natural environments. Ocean, good. River, good. Sea. We talked about natural environments. Now I want to talk a little bit about living and non-living things. So in all of these places, forests, gardens, deserts, ocean, river, mountains, all these places, there are lots of things that are living, and there are lots of things that are non-living, right? All right, what are you, a chair? Are you a piece of paper? No, you are not a non-living thing. Yes, that is true. That's what you said, I thought. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go over. Everyone paying attention here to the TV, please. Listening ears, right? Okay, so characteristics of living things. Aaron, why don't you go ahead and read this first part for me? They're made up of one or more cells. So remember, cells, all of us, we're made up of many, many, many cells. So they're so small, you cannot see one cell. You cannot even see like 100. They're tiny, right? You know cells, right? Maybe you talked about that with Miss Jamila in science class. So, yeah. So we can see our skin, but you cannot just see one cell. We are made up of many, 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 many cells. So living things, like Aaron said, made up of one or more cells. Ryan, what does it say here?
Grow and develop.
Okay, yeah, living things, they grow and develop. Luca, come over here. Come stand up. Is Luca a living thing?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is one thing that Luca's doing every single day that you all are doing? Growing. Luca's growing. When I first saw Luca was maybe this tall. I think he's gotten bigger, right? And just like the plants, look at the picture here. Look at the plants. Day 1, 3 weeks, 5 weeks. They get bigger, right? So same like you guys are growing and developing every single day, right?
No.
No? No? You're not learning anything? You're not learning anything? Go sit down, crazy boy. Yes. Yeah, exactly. So you're getting bigger every day, and you're also learning a lot, right? Mr. Christian thinks your English has gotten better in the 7 months we've been together. Okay. So now pay attention to I'm going to let you see one very quick YouTube video, and this talks about natural habitats, environments, and living and non-living things. I'm going to show you about 2 minutes of it, okay?
The world around us. All things present in the world are natural. Living, non-living. Natural things. We see beautiful lakes, mountains, forests, animals, and birds around us. They are all naturally present in the world. The things that naturally exist in this world are called natural things. All living things are natural things. Even some of the non-living things like sunlight, air, water, soil, sand, and rocks are natural things.
So before we start a little bit of this PowerPoint, I want us to let's think of some things that are living things and non-living things. So go ahead and just raise your hand. Tell me if you think you know something that is living, and then tell me if you think you know something that is non-living. You can tell me one for either one. Luca.
Water.
What is it? Water, is it living or non-living? Water's living? No. Does water breathe? Does water need food? Oh, I think so. What is water? Is it living or non-living? Luca? Non-living, right? Water is non-living. Sammy? What is that, living or non-living?
Living.
Very good, Sammy. So water is non-living, but living. Here we have plants, right? Aaron, animal, living thing. Yes, you could say animals. All animals are living things. Very good. Nana. Very good. So air is a non-living thing. So it helps us live, right? Water and air, they help us live, but they are not living, right? Because does air need food? Does air need to sleep? Does air need water? No, it's a thing, but it's not living, right? It doesn't need the things that we need. Okay, so Corals, let's go ahead and we're gonna do a couple slides here, and then Mr. Christian's going to give you a couple of worksheets to work on together, okay? So, again, characteristics of non-living things. Can you read this for me, Ethan? Let's read, non-living things can be divided into two groups. So actually, who hasn't read yet? Ryan, can you read number 1 for me? Never. Yes, so again, stone, gold, these things were never living, right? They've never been part of the living thing. Number 2, Ethan, go ahead and read that for me.
Parts of living things were once living. For example, paper comes from trees. Also, coal is formed from trees that died millions of years ago. And sank into the ground.
Very good, Ethan. So, who's one of my book getters?
Me.
Nana, you were here late, so I'm going to make you pass these out. Nana, can you give these one to everybody, please?
I'm gonna getter too.
Yeah, 3 of you are, but there's only one set of worksheets, so I have more worksheets. Don't worry, I'll let you guys do something, okay? But we're going to do this worksheet first.
How about you raise some
Yes, and very good. Thank you, Aaron, my pencil and eraser getters. So yes, Aaron, erasers, and Ryan, pencils. For everyone, please. So passing around, you sitting forward, please. Okay. Go ahead and read for me this first part. Did you want to read it? No? Okay. Nana, can you go ahead and read this first part for me?
Chair is non-living. It has 4 legs. It is purple and silver. It has a back.
So, we have a little description of each one. So Mr. Christian's going to read one more time, listening ears, right? Because now we need to write down these in the middle. So, the chair is a non-living thing. It has 4 legs. It is purple and silver. It has a back. People use chairs to sit down, right? The cat is a living thing. It has 4 legs. It is orange and white. It has a back. People have cats as pets. So, now that we've read that, now that you've read it and listened 2 times, can somebody tell Mr. Christian, what will we put in the middle or they're the same? Ethan. They're both, sorry? Natural resources? No. Does it say, so Ethan, does it say anything about natural? Okay, yes, Ethan. So not natural resources, but, okay. Yeah, that's a good one. So, but not natural resources, because it doesn't say anything about natural resources here, Ethan, right? Let's only think about what it says. But yes, the second thing that Ethan says, let's write that down. The chair has how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4. The cat has how many legs? So go ahead in here. So it's, you don't have a lot of space, so just write 4 legs. Don't worry about the bell. We got started a little late today. I let you do more work with your warm-up. So we still have a little bit of time. So just write down 4 legs. Can you write down 4 legs for me? You okay? We're almost finished. We're gonna do spelling test soon. We're doing spelling test soon.
Here?
Yes, right in the middle, yeah. Okay, so 4 legs. What else is the same about the cat and the chair, Luca? What else is the same? What does it say that we read? Wait. Luca raised his hand first. Sorry, Luca? There's a little bit of white. This is kind of silver though, so that's not the same because this is white and this is silver, right? So what is the same, Nana?
They all have a back.
Very good, Nana. Remember, look here. It says it has a back. Also here, it has a back.
But
All right, Ryan. Let's write these down and then I'll call on you next. All right. So let's write this down first. All right. So write down. They have a back, right? They have a back.
What's the last one?
What is something that's only about the cat? After you finished writing down, what is something that it says here that's only about the cat? I want someone else to tell me. Someone else that hasn't raised their hand. Daniel, can you tell me what is something about the cat that's only about the cat, not about the chair?
Only about the cat,
Huh? Hair? So, yeah, let's see. You are right. So, yes, Daniel, you are right. A cat has fur. But I want to find something that it only says here. So it doesn't talk about the fur. But Daniel, you are right. Let's see what else here that we're reading. Sammy, you said you had something? Okay, so it is an animal. What should we? The cat is a.
Living thing.
It's a living thing. Yes. So Sammy, you were right. It's an animal. So let's just write that down. A living thing, right? A living thing. And what about the chair? If the cat is a living thing, yes, the chair is a non-living thing, right? The chair is a non-living thing.
Some things can move a little bit.
A non-living.
No, sure will never move.
Okay.
You see the
Tell me another difference. What's something about the cat that is not true about the chair, or the other way around? Reading. Go ahead. Once you're finished copying, I'll let you copy for a minute. Sorry. Ethan. Very good, Ethan. The color of the cat is what? The color of the cat is orange and white. And the chair is what, Ethan? Yes, so for chair, like you could just write, again, you don't have a lot of space, so just write silver and purple. And the next one, the cat, you would write down orange and white. Orange and white. Good. Oh, you forgot to write N-O-N. Not no living thing. Non-living thing. Okay. Oh my gosh, you put it up here. You got so much space down here. That's okay. Good job, good job, good job.